people on.
Cowboy dance.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Arctic Vette channel. My name is Trevor. Today we are talking about Dora's side molding covers, windshield cover. You can Google it and they have tons and tons of names. Anyways, I've just grown to know it as the windshield side molding. Basically, what happens in these Ford Explorers, these, is it a 5th gen or 4th gen? One of the two. Those just happen to periodically fly off. You might be driving down the highway and you hear some flapping. You know what happens is this top piece up here, it starts coming loose, and then it just, as it gets loose, it gets looser all the way down and then pops all the way off. And so in order to fix that, pretty much most of the time when you go find those, they're broken on the side of the road and you're not going to be able to put them back in. So I actually found a new set of them on, what is it called? On Rock Auto. They're kind of expensive, not gonna lie, for a piece of plastic that flies off doing anywhere from 50, I've had one fly off at 50 to 75 miles an hour, is pretty sad. And sadly, Ford will not do anything about this because, you know, it's a Ford. If it was a Chevy, they would have done something. So I know you guys are here because you want to know how to fix this. And right here in my hand, this is how you fix it. You just go get you some JB plastic weld. And what this is going to do is this is going to make sure that this piece never comes off again. And this side was actually my last one that came off. And so what I did is I went out to the store and I bought some JB Weld. Got some of this stuff, I just covered. Honestly, I'll be honest with you guys, there's about 2 clips in here. Normally, there are 7 clips, but there are only 2 clips because all the rest of them broke. And so what I did is where those clips go, I just put a ton of JB Weld on it, and then I came over here and I just held it down and kept pushing it down. And now, if I open this door, she is pretty, oh, hang on. She's nice and sturdy. She ain't going anywhere now. So 2 clips and some JB Weld and that problem is solved. So I've got me some JB Weld here and just getting it all over these little points. And put some even up here. And the hope is that this will keep ooh, that was a lot. We're gonna put the cap back on it real quick. God, if only Ford could afford to do that. Honestly, I don't remember how much this stuff was, but it's pretty cheap. And I'll show you guys again. It's just JB Weld plastic weld. And you know, sets in 5 minutes, cures in an hour. It is the yellow. There's its purposes. This one actually comes with a resealable cap, so you can close it back up. And that is how you keep your Explorer cancer-free of the windshield molding flying off. Keep it looking clean. And you don't have to buy any more of these stupid things. The only reason that these should ever come off is for an instance of running a wire down, like I did here for a light bar, or if you have to replace that windshield. They should not be flying off on their own, doing 50, 75, I don't even care if you're doing 20. They shouldn't fly off. Not only is that terrible design, but let's just say, like in one of my cases, this flies off and hits another car. Luckily, the person that mine flew off in front of was able to slow down and dodge it. Now, some people probably aren't that lucky. However, we did get that lucky. And I'm gonna grab a thumbnail right here. Bam, there you guys go. You see the thumbnail before anybody else. Wait, you did see the thumbnail already. The fun in editing. So anyhow, JB Weld, plastic weld. That is your friend. That is gonna fix your Ford Explorer, fix the cancer on the windshield molding. And I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up button. We appreciate all of them likes. Let us know down in the comments if it did help you, or if you have found another magical way to fix this cancerous problem on these silly Fords. As always, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Click the bell notification to be notified for our next uploads, because we are doing them daily. Have a great weekend, and we will catch you guys later.